my name is Shannon and I am back with another video. And I know I'm looking a little bit crazy. I've got a little bit crazy eyeshadow on. That's because I just filmed a video for Monday, as I'm not filming next week as it's Christmas and I'm going to spend time with family. So I decided to film a few videos in one day for next week, so I will have those videos out Monday, Wednesday, Friday next week for y'all. But today I have a special last minute holiday gift guide. It's a lot. It's gonna be 20 Amazon Prime gifts that you can get on Amazon Prime, and you can get 2-day shipping with Amazon Prime. And I will definitely leave a link in my description for you guys to get signed up for Amazon Prime. If you haven't already, it's amazing. I love it. And it's totally worth it. You guys should definitely check it out. And yes, everything today that I'm talking about today will be linked in my description on Amazon.com. But you guys can go and get these at your local grocery store, anywhere that really sells anything like this. But this is going to be a holiday gift guide, probably my last holiday gift guide as it's almost Christmas. And if you guys want to check out my other holiday gift guide videos, I will leave them right up there for y'all. And they're all in one playlist, so you don't have to go searching around for them. They're all there all together, so definitely go check those out. And this is going to be for anybody who still needs to buy gifts or anybody who has to do their last minute Christmas shopping. Let's face it, I know that some of y'all probably still have to get your Christmas gifts, so I will be giving you guys 20 awesome gift ideas off of Amazon. You can get these in 2 days because Amazon Prime has 2-day shipping. And before we do that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put on new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Like this video if you enjoyed. Click the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys are most excited for 2019. I am super excited to just branch out, do a whole bunch of new stuff. Let me know what you guys are excited for 2019 because it's almost here and it's right around the corner. Okay, so let's get right into this. This video does feature Amazon Prime, so if you guys want to go check them out, I will leave a link right down in the description for you guys to go get signed up so you guys can get 2-day shipping on these gifts. Okay, so the first one is really cool. It's a really unique Christmas gift. Like, I've never heard of anybody giving a Christmas gift like this before. It's a candle making kit. So this kit is on Amazon and it comes with all the materials you need to make the candle. It comes with all different scents. You can pick out what scent you want. And it's really cool for anybody who just enjoys candles in general. Like, I enjoy candles. I would love this. If you enjoy DIYs and candles, you're absolutely gonna love this. So this is a really great last minute Christmas gift idea. It doesn't really cost that much money, and it's an experience that you can't really get back. So if you have somebody who loves candles and loves DIYs, this would definitely be a really great gift for them. So this second gift is for anybody who likes beer or alcohol or just beer in general. It's kind of like the first gift in that it's a beer making kit. So what you do is you make beer with it, obviously, and it's really cool. That's a really cool gift to give anybody who enjoys beer, who is a beer connoisseur. It'd be really super fun to make your own beer and like age it and have like the aging process and stuff. I think that'd be super cool. Somebody who loves beer, who loves alcohol, this is definitely for them. The third gift is kind of a techie gift. It's a sound bar, and I will actually show you guys mine. We have one, and I will actually show you guys ours. Okay, so this is our sound bar, and it has a little switch in the back. It has volume up, volume down, Bluetooth. I'm not sure what that is, but that's an on button. And these go from like $70 to $100. You can get them up to $200, but you can find these on Amazon, and they're super nice. This one just mounts to our TV, and we use it like all the time. So if you know somebody who loves to listen to music, who doesn't love to listen to music, but if you know somebody who wants a surround sound or like a really good speaker, sound bars are the way to go because they're like a surround sound in a little bar. It's so cool. Okay, so this next gift is for anybody who loves to organize. Like, I absolutely love organizing. I can't stand having messy things. I have to have all my stuff labeled. I have to have them all organized. So this is a label maker, And what you do is you just make different labels. Like, you can use this a lot in your kitchen, you can use this for your makeup, for anything really. So you basically just make these little labels that you can stick on to different things. These are super affordable and they're a really great gift idea if you know somebody who loves organizing, or if you know somebody who is moving soon, because these can really help in your moving process, because I've moved a couple times and if you don't have stuff labeled, you don't know what it is. So if you have a label maker, it definitely helps. Okay, number 5 is an Instapot. Now, I don't have one of these, but I've been wanting one and I've been seeing them everywhere. Everybody has one. You can make pretty much anything in an Instapot. You can make rice, you can make chicken, anything you want. It's basically good for people on the go, like moms who have to drive a lot. Super easy, super nice, super great for anybody who's busy during dinner time and doesn't really have time to cook a lot. This would be a great gift for them. Okay, this next gift is really weird and I saw it on Amazon. I was like, what is that? And I had to click on it. It's an electric wine dispenser. So you guys pretty much know, like, from the name, it's basically just a wine dispenser that is electric. If you get this paired with a bottle of wine, this would be the perfect gift. Like, if you wrapped this up, put a little bow on it, paired it with a bottle of wine, and gave it to somebody who loves wine, this would be the perfect gift. Next item is the What Do You Meme game. And I've been seeing this everywhere. A lot of people have gotten it this year, and it's super popular. It's a super popular game. Good for anybody who loves internet memes, who knows about internet memes, a millennial who is obsessed with the internet, anybody really. This is a really great gift. Number 8 is any gift card you can really get on Amazon. I didn't know this until just recently. You can get basically any gift card and it'll be sent to you in 1 to 2 days. They even have like 1-day shipping for gift cards, which I think is super cool, because if you don't know what to get somebody, if somebody's like super hard to shop for, you can just get them a gift card to their favorite like restaurant or favorite place and they will be set. Shannon has gift cards like to Starbucks, Cracker Barrel, Panera, the list goes on. They have tons of gift cards, so definitely go check those out if you're needing a gift card. Okay, number 9 is something similar to what I did in one of my other gift guides. It's a Sherpa Blanket. I did a Sherpa jacket in my other video, but the Sherpa Blanket looks super soft. Like, I know anybody would want this. Like, guys, gals, anybody would want this. Yeah, these are super soft blankets and you can get these on Amazon, you can get these at the store, anywhere really. These are a super great gift for the winter because everybody gets cold, everybody needs a nice blanket to cuddle up with. Okay, the next item is a journal and then a pen set to go with the journal. So, Amazon, I saw this really cool journal on Amazon. It's a 1 line a day journal, and what you do is over the course of 5 years or however many years really, you can write down 1 line a day. You can write about anything you want, if it's happy, if it's sad. It just brings a little bit of positivity into your life. I know I love writing my thoughts down. It's just something that I like to do. Journals are a really great gift for that. If you know somebody who has been wanting stationery or a journal, I would definitely get them a journal or pen set because they will love it. Number 11 is Starbucks coffee, a bag of Starbucks coffee or the Starbucks K-Cup pods. You can also get this on Amazon, and anybody loves coffee, and I know everybody loves Starbucks coffee. If you don't, you're crazy. If you have a giant coffee lover in your life, this would be a great gift because they won't have to buy coffee for a while. Okay, number 12 is for the fitness geeks out there. It's an armband for running or jogging, and it just goes around your arm and you can put your phone in it. And the best part is it fits every single phone. It fits every phone. If you have a giant iPhone, if you have a little flip phone, it fits every phone. How this works is you stretch out the top and it goes over your phone, and it's super stretchy and it's super strong material. And this is the one that has the best reviews on Amazon. The reviews of this are spectacular. Like, anybody who is working out like every single day, every other day would love this. Okay, number 13 is a gift for someone who loves traveling, who travels a lot, who has to travel. It's a lightweight packing cube set. So this set is very, very lightweight, so you don't have to worry about adding to the weight of your suitcase. And they have all different colors, so this is really cool to get anybody. Okay, the next item is a cookbook, and I found this one. It's called Skillet Meals. And all of the meals are one-pan meals, so this is good for any single moms, anybody who doesn't really do a lot of cooking but needs to have a meal every night for their family. This is a really, really cool cookbook because it has a lot of great ideas, and they're all one-pan recipes, so it eliminates the mess. It's super easy. Okay, so number 15 is Colony Co. Durable Goods To-Go Reusable Grocery Bags. I know that's a long title, but these are basically just reusable grocery bags that you can put in your car, you can bring into the store with you. What's cool about these is the weight of the bag is written on the outside on the label. So if you are going to buy like produce and something you have to weigh, you could just put it in the bag and then tell the cashier to just subtract the weight difference from the bag, and that's super easy. And yeah, you can basically put anything in this, produce, anything you really need. It definitely eliminates a need for plastic grocery bags. I know I hate plastic grocery bags. They're terrible for the environment, so these are a eco-friendly way to shop for your groceries. Okay, number 16 is a fogless shower mirror. And this is good for a guy who shaves in the shower because it's fogless, and what you do is you just spray it with hot water before you get in the shower, and then it's supposed to not fog up like a mirror usually does. So this is really great for shaving, and it also has a razor holder, so that's really cool. Okay, number 17 is any of the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning supplies. These are so cool. Like, I love Mrs. Meyer's cleaning supplies. They're natural, they're awesome. So anybody who has to clean the house, definitely get the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning supplies. Number 18 is a dog activity mat, and this is for the dog lovers out there who have dogs, who need something for their dogs to play with. This is a little mat, and it basically, you just put treats in it and the dogs can go find the treats, and they have to like go through little puzzles and stuff like that. That's super cool. Okay, number 19 is a humidifier, and these are super good for the winter time if you live somewhere cold and if you have dry skin all the time. Like, I know humidifiers help me so much. I always get bloody noses in the winter, so humidifiers help with that. Humidifiers help with so much, so definitely if you know somebody who has been wanting a humidifier, if you know somebody who needs a humidifier, definitely a good gift idea. Last but not least, I have a Contigo coffee mug thermos, and these thermoses can keep your drinks warm, they can keep your drinks cold. They fit right in the console of your car, so they're not big and bulky, they're super nice. They have to travel to work, if they have to travel in general, this is a really good travel mug. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for my last holiday gift guide of the season. I hope you guys enjoyed this holiday gift guide series that I did. I basically just kind of fell into the series, so if you guys want me to continue this next year, leave a like on this video, comment down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!